Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a homemade coconut milk shampoo using fresh coconut milk which is made at home. This coconut milk shampoo is very good for your hair. This can reduce dryness to your hair and make your hair manageable and silky. This coconut milk shampoo can increase the volume of your hair. It can repair your damaged hair, reduce tangles, and protect your hair from harsh chemicals. So if you want to know, please continue watching. To make this shampoo, I am using coconut. I have chosen a coconut which has thick pulp. The white portion of the coconut should be thick so that I can extract maximum milk, and I'm going to keep the brown part of the coconut too because it contains oil, and oil is very much required in this shampoo. So to get 1 cup of the coconut milk, I have taken half of the entire coconut and I'm going to grind it into fine paste. I have a detailed video to make the coconut cream. I'll leave the link in the description box. In this video quickly I'm going to show you how to make the coconut milk. Here I've just ground the coconut. I'm going to add little water so that I can extract maximum milk from the coconut, and you can just squeeze out the milk, otherwise you can also strain it. To make this shampoo, I need at least 1 cup of the coconut milk, so you can use it however you want it. So the coconut milk will be ready once I strain all the coconut paste. So the coconut milk is very good for your hair. It has a lot of benefits other than hair. You can also use it for your skin. This is good for all hair types since it contains a lot of minerals, vitamins, phosphorus, and essential oils. This can keep your hair very moisturized. So to make the coconut milk shampoo, for 1 cup of coconut milk I am using some other ingredients which will help me to make the shampoo. For that I'm using half a teaspoon of jojoba oil. You can also use coconut oil if you don't have, because it can moisturize your hair. And the next is geranium essential oil. This will add a perfume or smell or odor to your shampoo. It will keep your hair smelling good. So next is Castile soap. This is an alkaline based liquid soap which is made of vegetable oil. It can moisturize your hair and keep your hair shinier. So to make the coconut milk shampoo, I'm going to mix all the ingredients. I'm using 2 teaspoons of the Castile soap. If you don't have Castile soap, you can also use baby shampoo. And I'm going to add few drops of the essential oil and jojoba oil of a teaspoon and mix all the ingredients together. Mix it at least for 5 minutes so that it forms into a thick paste, almost like a shampoo. So the shampoo is ready. You can keep this in the refrigerator for a week, and you can use this like any regular shampoo. Just wet your hair and work up lather, and you can wash off your hair. So use it and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.